In this tutorial, you will learn how to create captivating RGB style visuals for your music videos using the Emboss effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. After setting up your project, duplicate the layer by holding the Alt key or Option key on Mac and dragging it upward in the timeline. Select the top layer. Navigate to the Effects panel. Search for the Emboss effect and double-click to add it to the layer. This effect will gray out the image and outline the subject, creating a raised or engraved appearance. Change the blend mode of the top layer to color. It will turn your video to black and white color. Set the direction value to 135, relief to 45, and contrast to 125. You can see the subject's edges reveal subtle RGB colors. Let's slightly decrease the value of relief to 25. Now, simply render the effect, and that's it. You've successfully created a nice-looking RGB effect that can make your music videos look cool. And don't forget to subscribe.